Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital security for 2025. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to add your Uphold account to Google Authenticator for an extra layer of protection. Uphold is a popular platform for managing cryptocurrencies and investments, and enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. With Google Authenticator is a smart move to keep your assets safe from hackers. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need an active Uphold account and the Google Authenticator app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, head to your App Store, download it for free, and set it up quickly. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Now, log into your Uphold account on your computer or mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. Look for the Security or Account Security section. That's where the magic happens. Here, you'll see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on that, and Uphold will prompt you to set it up with an Authenticator app. Next, select Google Authenticator as your preferred method. A QR code will appear on your screen. Grab your phone, open the Google Authenticator app, and scan that code. If scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter the provided key. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Go back to your Uphold page and enter that code in the verification field to confirm. After verification, your 2FA is all set. You'll now need to enter a code from the Google Authenticator app every time you log in. Pro tip: if you encounter any issues, like the code not working, double-check your time settings on your device or restart the app. In 2025, with evolving threats, this step is more crucial than ever. That's it, folks. You've just fortified your Uphold account like a pro. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.